Founded in 1996, GETT Group is a made-in-Germany professional manufacturer. With headquarters in Germany, GETT Group has an Asian subsidiary, GETT.ASIA. GETT.ASIA Assembly is located in Shenzhen, Guangdong, covering 4,200 square meters. Our company has multiple international qualifications and certifications, such as ISO 9001:2015. We have independent departments for innovation, quality control, and production. The engineering team innovates and develops tailored solutions for our clients. The international team brings global technical and perspective. The QC department adheres to German industrial standards and monitors quality data from the German headquarters. The lab has different testing instruments for material analysis, testing, and qualification. The area is fully grounded for ESD protection, ensuring strict compliance and EMS production readiness. Tidy and well-organized production area for customized OEM production. The area is tidy, well-organized, and fully compliant with German industrial standards. Features a 60 square meters clean work area with high-end machinery. ISO 5 Class 100 cleanroom, 300 square meters, modular, with strict access protocols and full environmental control. Strict contamination and climatic control. A 60.5 square meters isolated room with labeled organization, 24/7 climate control, and dedicated storage for time-sensitive materials. The 700 square meters warehouse maintains 70% utilization with organized storage, controlled materials, and FIFO traceability. Certified Class 2 fire protection system exceeding industry standards for full risk management. Precise control of glue dispension. Adapt to different glue materials and standard. Flexibility in different keyboard layouts and private logo marking. Precise control of gluing process for waterproof requirement. Compatible with major color systems, Pantone, CMYK, RGB. Our digital printing utilizes imported Mimaki equipment with internationally certified ink. No tooling needed, support small batch production and rapid sampling. The automatic bonding machine laminates glass to foil, foil to foil, and fixes glass-to-glass components. Laminating technology for display and touch screens. The defoaming process applies heat and pressure to ensure bubble-free quality standards. Loca bonding machine for better high standard of liquid bonding. We provide monitors, PCs, keyboards, and mice for diverse applications. Strategic sourcing of high-quality and cost-effective parts and products, certified supply chain network with yearly audit. We serve our customers the best as we are GETT.